To record a customer down payment or prepayment in QuickBooks Online, manually record the payment in the Receive Payment window for the customer. Doing this then generates a customer credit, which you can later apply to future invoices you create for the customer. To manually record a customer's down payment or prepayment, hover over the plus Create button in the navigation bar, and then click the Receive Payment link under the Customer's heading in the drop-down menu to open the Receive Payment window. Select the customer for whom to record the down payment or prepayment from the Customer drop-down. Then follow the same steps as when recording a full customer payment for a single invoice. Simply record the received payment's date, payment method, deposit account, and amount. If you are recording a down payment or prepayment for a current customer, double-check to ensure that none of the items in the outstanding transactions list are checked. If any are checked, the received payment amount is applied to them and not recorded as a separate down payment or prepayment. So, uncheck all these transactions if needed to ensure you convert the total amount received in the payment into a customer credit. When you then record the down payment or prepayment using one of the buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, you create a customer credit for the total amount, which you can later apply to a customer invoice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.